Hi, I'm Michael Faulkner from Zapier's video team. As your business grows, more people need the keys to keep things running. But you also need to see everything your team is automating. And that's why we've launched new features so that you can scale automation confidently and securely across your business. Today we'll show you how to use Super Admin to delegate oversight and use the audit log to mitigate risk and maintain control. First, Super Admin. It's a step above the admin role that allows you to manage all Zaps, even the private ones. Super Admin is best for IT and operations roles, or if you build and troubleshoot Zaps across teams. If you're the account owner on a team or company account, you're already a Super Admin. And if you're on a company account, you can appoint multiple Super Admins. Here's how. Click on your profile and go to Settings. Then click on the Members tab to see everyone in your account. You can search by name or filter by role type. Then you can click on the drop-down menu next to their name and select Super Admin. Now you have more helping hands to maintain oversight, access, and make sure essential Zaps are running smoothly. Now let's talk about the audit log. This is your new home for tracking all Zap activity across your entire account. It's available for account owners and Super Admins on team and company accounts. Here's how to find it. Click on your profile and go to Settings, then click on the audit log. Within the audit log, you'll see when Zaps are created, edited, turned on or off, or moved to a different owner. Use the filters at the top to find the activity that you're looking for. You can filter by user, the type of activity, and the date range that it occurred. Click on an activity and it will take you to the Zap so you can inspect it in the editor. Audit log is kind of like your automation security camera. You can see how active your team is, make sure everyone's handling sensitive data appropriately, or get a sense of how people are using automation so that you can mitigate any potential risks. To recap, Super Admin lets you appoint trusted teammates to help you maintain oversight, access, and make sure essential Zaps are running. And the audit log helps you keep track of all automation activity so you and your Super Admins can monitor and mitigate potential risks. If you're ready to scale automation confidently and securely, try these features out for your team or company.